We're going to see what happens when we use the Gaussian elimination method to solve simultaneous equations, or try and solve them, that have no solution. We're using our fixed box method, and we label the equations with 1, 2 and 3 in the fixed box ABD. First of all, write in equation 1. To find equation B, we take equation 1 and multiply it by 2, and equation 2 and multiply it by 9. Subtract the second one from the first, and this will give us equation B. Write equation B in the fixed box, and then work out the next equation by combining equations 1 and 3. In this case, we'll have to multiply by 8 and 9 respectively. Equation 1 times 8 looks like this, and equation 3 times 9 looks like this. We can then subtract those two equations, and this will give us equation C. To try and get equation D, we then combine equations B and C. In this case, multiply B by 5 and we will get 100. Write equation C underneath it, and then you can add these two together, and you'll see that you get 0 equals 99. At least 90. 0 equals 9. Now this is a false statement. When you get a false statement, this will give you a math error on your calculator when you try to do these equations. A false statement means they are inconsistent. So what do they look like? Look at the answers for B and C. One is a multiple of the other. One is 5 times bigger than the other. C is 5 times bigger than equation B, which means that the three planes meet along one single line. So the three planes meet in a line that is parallel to another one. Equations 1 and 2 meet in this line here, and equations 2 and 3 meet in this line here. They are parallel because one's a multiple of the other, but they have different numbers, constants on the right hand side. So that's how we interpret them. When you get a false statement, the most likely situation is where they meet in lines that are parallel to each other. For this example, we're going to repeat. We've got three equations. Put it in a fixed box. Write equation 1 as A. Then eliminate x from equations 1 and 2. In this case, we are going to have to multiply equation 2 by 4. Subtract away, and that should give you negative 13y plus 22z equals negative 11. This is equation B. Put it in your fixed box. Now we will eliminate x from equations 1 and equations 3. So we can multiply this equation by 4 and the other one by 6. We could have also just chosen 12 and multiplied them by 3 and 2 respectively. Once they've been multiplied, you then go and subtract away. This will give you the following. This gives equation C. We then need to eliminate y from B and C, so if we double B, we will get 26y. We've got equation C here, so underneath I'm going to go 2 times equation B. And when I subtract it away, I get 0 equals 0. This is a true statement. So what does this mean? There are many solutions that will make these equations true. Many solutions for y and x which will make both equations true. It means that the three planes lie in a line like the pages of a book. And you can see here are the 3 pages of a book, and they all lie along this line, along the spine here. So there are multiple solutions. A true statement means there are multiple solutions.